Today I'm going to give you an overview of the product Lakehouse. As discussed before, the Lakehouse is part of the ingestion area. It is populated really through the ingestion of documents that includes PDFs or Excel files, as we've talked about in the other videos. Once those files are processed, the actual products and the information extracted are now available in what we call the Lakehouse. And I would say there's several different ways you can search for information in here. We have filters set up where you can go by document if you want to see which products are associated with that document. If you want to do it by users that uploaded, depending on how many people are doing this function. And if you want to do it by brand, you can do it by brand as well. You can also pick attributes and things that it found on the system, as well as search. So for example, if I wanted to see all the products on the system imported under Brooks or the North Face, for example, again, and it's a quick responding kind of type ahead search. All products that start with gel or have gel in their name, you can pull up. Now, in addition to this, you can go out and look at the product and see what is there. Description features in this case, it does tell you the source document that the information came from, page 86 in that PDF. And if you want, you can edit it as well. And import the information. I think for the most part, this is intended to be really kind of a living area where information about products gets uploaded, and it will primarily be used in cases where you have a brand or manufacturer that is introducing new products, and we're talking about 6 to 2 months in advance of when you actually receive the inventory, and you're trying to get information about that product and use it to start to create your own descriptions and information about the product so you can get it for sale as quickly as you can, for example, on your website when the product comes into stock. That's really the product Lakehouse. Quick overview. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on Discord or book a time with us.